The carburetor gasket forms a seal between the carburetor and the isolator. Over time, gaskets can fail. A bad carburetor gasket can allow dirt into the engine, which will cause wear to the piston and cylinder, leading to a lack of compression. It will also allow extra air into the cylinder, causing a lean fuel mixture. This will also lead to piston and cylinder damage. Replacing the carburetor gasket is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the air filter cover. Next, I'll remove the air filter. Now I'll remove the two bolts that secure the carburetor and the air filter base to the engine. With the bolts loosened, I can pull the bracket away from the air filter base, along with the bolts, and remove the base. Next, I'll reinstall the screws and air filter bracket to the air filter base. And now this can go back onto the carburetor. I align the screws with the carburetor and insert them through the carburetor. Now install the new carburetor gasket. I'll place it over the screws that I've already threaded through the carburetor, and now this assembly can be reattached to the isolator. The air filter and the air cleaner cover. And that's how easy it is to replace the carburetor gasket on your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.